Hi, I'm Garima Sharma, and here I've implemented and improved few functionality in Facebook app. And in order to test that, I've created few paper prototypes. And in order to test them, I'm taking the help of Miss Ocean Kavriya. Thanks, Ocean, for helping me in my testing.
Thank you, Karmashan.
Yes. So Ocean, over here in this screen, I've made this prototype to be exactly of the size of iPhone so that I can test what I want to exactly test. So what do you do when you see this screen?
So the first thing that I would do would log in with my username and then put in my password. And once that's done, I would click on login button and then I would use my Facebook app.
Okay. So once you do that, this is what you see.
Yes, it looks quite similar to this. In fact, yeah, I see all these icons for notifications or messenger, and I see my friends' status updates. But at times, you see other updates from other sources as well, like BuzzFeed or Times of India or some university, which I've liked.
Okay. And what do you do when you see your news feed?
Where I scroll on it and check
Okay.
other updates of my
Okay.
friends and other
So once
sources.
you scroll, do you see something like this?
Yes, it's nice to see that I'm able to see my friend Kushmeen's latest status here, which she updated just 30 minutes back, and what she's up to. And it's good that I'm not. Sometimes it gets annoying if you see updates from other sources all the time. So I think this looks good. Yes.
Okay, something of this kind when you scroll down.
Yes, definitely. And at times, what happens if they are updating their page after every half an hour, your whole Facebook page will be filled with their status updates. So at times, yeah, it gets annoying.
Okay, so you want to see more feeds about your friends and not
Yes,
just from some groups which you have liked and some of the pages which you have liked.
definitely.
Okay, and what do you do when you see your friends' updates?
Well, I would maybe comment on it or like it or share it if if I'm interested. That's what I do.
Okay, and any other suggestion which you see I can make over here to make it more effective?
Well, a cell phone size is limited. It's pretty small compared to your laptop size or any other tablet size. And at times you just don't want to use these five options that you have.
Okay,
You
yeah.
don't want to see what friend requests do you have or what messages you got. So I just feel there should be another option here so that when I click on it, I should get rid of these options and just see the status updates of my friends or whatever is
Yeah,
relevant to
you're
me.
right. That's
Yes.
why, like, in order to make it appropriate, I've used the smaller size so that you can tell me in a more appropriate way. Thanks for this suggestion. I would definitely implement it. So, like, how would you suggest? And, like, if you don't want to see these icons, what do you want to see in
Um,
return?
Maybe I should have an option here. So when I click on it, I get rid
Okay.
of these options. Yeah.
Okay. So, Ocean, once you see the screen of your iPhone and you want to message somebody, how would you do that?
Well, it's simple. I would just go to the messenger icon here and talk to my friends there.
Okay, so once you click on Messenger icon, like, is this something you see on your app?
Yes, it's similar to this. Yes.
So, what do you see over here?
Well, it's a list of all my friends, and I can just click on whoever I want to talk to, and then just go ahead.
Okay, so, like, in order to chat, how would you proceed?
Where I would just click on that person's name and then talk to that person.
Okay, and what if when you click on some person's name, you see this message?
Oh, well, it's very annoying because I do not want to install Facebook Messenger on my phone or tablet because it takes a lot of space and memory on my phone. And I would prefer using WhatsApp or any other method over this to talk to my friends.
Okay, but you know that you are very much friendly with Facebook, but still you would like to go to WhatsApp and not download the Facebook Messenger,
Right,
though it's taking.
right.
Okay, but have you ever tried using the Facebook Messenger?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Okay, so like I thought that this is not a appropriate method, and that's why when I saw various reviews from the users that even they don't like to download the app from the download uh, Facebook Messenger. So that's why like I would suggest that once you click on your friends over
Mm-hmm.
here, what if you see a screen like this?
Oh, that would be great. I can
What do
see.
you what do you interpret from this screen?
Well, it's great that I can see all the messages here. I do not have to download and install Facebook Messenger on my phone or tablet, and I can just use Facebook app for messaging my friends and just go ahead and talk to them. So I think that's great.
So how would you do that?
Well, I'll just click on, suppose if I want to talk to Vinayak, I'll just click on it and then go ahead and type my message. Yes.
Okay, so once you click on the Vinayak's name, you see something of this kind.
Yes.
So what do you think about it? What the screen tells you?
Well, it's great. I can just type my message here, whatever I want to whatever I want to say.
So what do you do when you see the screen?
Well, I'll see my friend's message and then I would just go ahead and type on the keyboard and send it. If I want, I can do other things as well, send him images or smileys or a voice message, right? So that's what I will do.
Okay, what if you want to send him a picture, but instead you get this message over here?
Well, I would not download the App Store, Facebook Messenger, but I think it's still fine. I can go ahead and use this smiley or, send a voicemail through the keyboard. No, this is
Okay.
not voicemail,
So
sorry.
Ocean Kavya, when you see the screen, what do you do over here?
Well, I would see his message and just type my message and go ahead and send it.
Okay. So and what else can you see on this screen?
If I want, I can use smileys in my messages, so that is also another thing I can do, or use voice notes.
Okay. And what if when you press on smiley you get this message?
Well, I wouldn't go ahead and download the Facebook Messenger because I can use, keyboard smileys or the voice note here. I do not have to use Facebook Messenger smileys, so that is fine. That's
Okay.
okay.
And so in this case also, would you like to go to WhatsApp and then message him, or you can use at least.
No, in this case, I would just go ahead and use Facebook Messenger because, I would save some time in that case and I can just instantly respond to his message or reply to his message. So I think this is a much better option, yes, that you are recommending. I think that's great.
Okay, Hosh, thank you so much for your valuable comments. I really appreciate them. I'll definitely implement them into my new prototypes and I'll get back to you for testing again. And thank you so much again for your time.
Thank you, Garima. It was great working with you and it was a lovely experience. Have a good day.
Yeah, good to know that. You too. Thanks.
Yeah.